So of course you know you can make money on YouTube, but did you know you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording a single video? In fact, I've personally used this to make over $32,000 in the last 28 days. And it's actually really simple to do. You see, all we do is go into sites like this where they have completely free to use stock footage. We go ahead and download these videos for free. And then all we do is take our phones and record simple voiceovers that we then put over these videos. And here's an example of a channel that's doing the exact same thing that's literally getting over 15 million views every 30 days. Sounds simple enough, right? So of course there's a few more steps that you should know if you want to be able to do this successfully. So today I'm going to be holding a completely free live training where I'm going to show you and break down step by step, and I mean completely step by step, exactly how I do this method, exactly how this channel I just showed you does this method. So popping up on the screen right now are results of a lot of different people who are doing these same exact strategies today. And so the cool thing is that every one of these people that I'm showing you went through this same exact live training or something just like it that you have the opportunity to join right now today. And once again, it's completely free. And of course, I cannot promise you results like these students. I can promise you that you will learn the exact step-by-step strategies and methods that these people use, because once again, this is the same exact training that these people went through. And so if you're thinking this is way too easy, why doesn't everyone else do this? The answer is a lot of people do this. You just have never noticed it. So after you go through this training, the light bulb's gonna go off and you're gonna go, wow, there's actually a lot of channels on YouTube that I watch that are doing this same exact strategy, and it's completely changing their life. And up until now, you had no clue. But now you will know, and you'll be able to go in and implement these same exact things that they are doing. So in this live training, I'm gonna be going over a ton of different things, including exactly what niches you should be doing to be successful with this method, as well as how you're going to generate the videos and the content, and then most importantly, how you're going to blow up those videos, blow up your channel, and make these videos go viral. I'm gonna give you a lot of different secrets that I have learned over my years of YouTube. These are secrets that I have never found anywhere else online, and definitely not something that you'd be able to get for free anywhere else. Seats are limited, so they're filling up fast. And I have so many notes here of things that I wanna go over and discuss with you. So many strategies and secrets that you need to know to be successful. After this training, you'll be able to go in and implement the same exact things that these people right here are doing. So can't wait to see you in there. Thanks a lot for watching.